Looking for the best value? Before you buy any cable clips, you need to see this. In this video, I picked the best cable clips of 2026 based on performance, quality, features, and overall value. To save you hours of research, I've compared the top options, checked real user reviews, and narrowed them down to the very best picks. You'll find the latest prices and links in the description below. Subscribe for honest reviews. Now, let's get started. First up, we're checking out the Lamicall 360 degrees rotatable cable organizer clips. These units showcase a revolutionary 360-degree swivel capability, which empowers you to pivot and orient your wires in any conceivable direction to effectively eliminate structural bending or fraying. The built-in automatic spring-close system ensures that you can effortlessly swap out your primary charging cables or USB peripherals using only a single hand. Boasting a generous 8mm interior slot, these clips are fully compatible with a massive variety of cords, ranging from thick Ethernet lines to delicate high-end headphone wires. Their sleek, low-profile aesthetics allow them to disappear into your furniture while managing messy nests on your bedside tables or vehicle dashboards. Furthermore, the industrial-strength acrylic adhesive ensures a rock-solid bond on surfaces like glass or tile without leaving a sticky, frustrating residue when repositioned. Constructed from heavy-duty ABS plastic, this six-pack delivers a lasting and professional solution for anyone looking to master their workspace flow throughout a busy workday. Next, we have the lever magnetic cable clips. This sophisticated organization system utilizes a modular approach by combining individual single clips, double wire clips, and specialized plastic bases to manage up to 8 distinct cables simultaneously. The innovative double clip design is particularly useful for keeping two specific cords separated to avoid the nightmare of cross-tangling, while the magnetic suction provides a seamless one-handed docking experience. You can quickly trigger the side opening latch to secure or release your power leads and HDMI cables without putting any unnecessary strain on your fingernails or the cable housing. Built from rugged, premium ABS plastic, these organizers feature a high-quality reusable adhesive that maintains a firm grip on your nightstand or office desk without damaging the finish. The 7.5mm slots are precision-engineered to provide a snug fit for modern USB-C and Ethernet cables while remaining accessible for quick removal. By integrating these versatile clips with the included mounting bases, you can create a fully customized cable routing layout that adapts perfectly to the unique corners of your modern home or professional office. At number 3, the Lamicall Spring Locking Desk Cable Clips. These advanced organization tools utilize a sophisticated spring-loaded open and close architecture featuring a 60-degree rotation shaft, which permits remarkably easy one-handed operation for keeping your workspace tidy and efficient. The wide 8mm entry slot is highly adaptable, allowing it to accommodate everything from standard smartphone chargers to thick, heavy-duty network and monitor cables with no struggle at all. Because of their incredibly small physical footprint, these clips serve as the perfect solution for cramped spaces like laptop stands, nightstands, or even the narrow moldings of a car's interior. The high-performance acrylic adhesive backing ensures the clips stay exactly where you put them on smooth surfaces like ceramic, yet they can be removed cleanly without leaving any unsightly marks behind. Forged from high-grade ABS plastic, these clips offer a significantly more durable and premium feel compared to flimsy rubber alternatives and maintain their snappy locking force over years of daily use. This comprehensive 6-piece set is a vital upgrade for anyone wanting to boost their desk's visual appeal while keeping essential cords organized and ready for immediate action. Our fourth pick is the Chvila Dual Spring and Clasp Cable Clips. These vibrant and exceptionally practical clips employ a unique dual spring locking mechanism to guarantee that your essential cables remain locked in place without the risk of popping out during movement. Perfectly suited for high-energy environments like gaming stations or busy bedside tables, they offer a secure physical alternative to magnetic clips while shielding your delicate data cords from unnecessary stress. This diverse 8-pack is offered in several bright colors, which serves as a great visual aid for categorizing and identifying different types of wires at a quick glance across the room. Featuring a precision-calibrated 7.5mm slot, the design allows for smooth, one-handed insertion of everything from laptop power adapters to small peripheral USB wires. The sophisticated nanogel adhesive bonds with extreme strength to challenging surfaces like metal or marble, yet it peels off effortlessly without leaving a tacky mess or damaging your furniture. Included with extra adhesive pads and backed by a full 24-month warranty, these clips represent a long-term organizational investment that remains flexible as your technology needs evolve over time. And for our final pick, the Smallfish 8-pack magnetic cable clips. Achieving a completely clutter-free workspace or vehicle cabin is easier than ever with this magnetic 8-piece set specifically designed to hold wires up to 7 mm in diameter. Whether you are managing a thin lightning cable or a thick kitchen appliance cord, the powerful magnetic closure system allows you to simply drop the cable into the cradle for immediate, worry-free security. The installation process is straightforward, requiring a simple peel and stick application on flat surfaces like treated wood or glass, followed by a brief 30-second compression to ensure a lasting bond. To achieve the absolute maximum adhesive strength, we highly recommend allowing the premium acrylic backing to cure for 24 hours before you begin applying heavy tension to the clips. This weather-resistant bonding agent is durable enough for use in fluctuating temperatures like a parked car, yet it remains gentle enough to be removed without scarring your expensive furniture. These small but mighty organizers offer a perfect blend of high-end magnetic convenience and reliable cable retention, making them an essential tool for the modern, tech-heavy household looking for a clean look. And that's a wrap. If this video helped you choose the right product, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews, smart finds, and the latest deals. Have a product you want us to review? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned, because the next video might just be your next best purchase. See you in the next one.